Welcome to our Materials Science lecture on polymer structure and properties. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of polymers, exploring their structure and the unique properties that make them so versatile. By the end of this class, you will be able to describe and explain the relationships between a polymer's structure and its thermal and mechanical properties. Additionally, you will understand how strain rate affects these properties. Here, we examine the deformation mechanisms of polymers and the results of tensile tests. Notice how different polymers respond to stress and strain, highlighting their diverse mechanical behaviors. The bulky side groups in addition polymers significantly impact their thermal properties. Steric hindrance affects the glass transition temperature, melting temperature, and the modulus of elasticity. Condensation polymers exhibit stiffness due to their characteristic linkages. This slide shows how the number of carbon atoms between linkages influences the melting temperature and flexibility of the polymer. Let's take a moment to inquire, which side group will result in the highest modulus of elasticity, and which will result in the lowest melting temperature? Consider the steric hindrance of each group. The answers reveal that the side group with the highest modulus of elasticity is option C, and the one with the lowest melting temperature is option B. Understanding these properties is crucial for polymer selection in various applications. Increasing the strain rate affects the log of the modulus of elasticity versus temperature curves and tensile test properties. This relationship is vital for predicting polymer behavior under different loading conditions. Adding plasticizer to PVC alters its thermal properties. The amount of plasticizer significantly impacts the log of the modulus of elasticity versus temperature curves, making the polymer more flexible. Crosslinking in elastomers affects their tensile properties and thermal behavior. Higher degrees of crosslinking result in stiffer materials, while lower degrees yield softer, more flexible polymers. Which elastomer has the highest amount of crosslinking? And which has the lowest? Consider the physical appearance and properties of each sample to make your selection. The answers indicate that option D has the highest amount of crosslinking, while option A has the lowest. This knowledge helps in choosing the right elastomer for specific applications. To recap, we aim to describe and explain the relationships between a polymer's structure and its thermal and mechanical properties, and how strain rate affects these properties. Let's review what we've learned. Now, let's engage in a class activity to reinforce our understanding of polymer structure and properties. Follow the instructions and explore the various polymer samples provided. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Add a comment below the video to share your thoughts and learnings. What did you learn from the video? What topic would you like to explore further? This presentation contains copyrighted material used under the Fair Use Doctrine for educational, commentary, and research purposes. All rights belong to their respective copyright holders. Links are provided in the video description to relevant resources.